Delhi government has exited retail liquor business as the new excise regime hits the city markets from today. The new swanky liquor outlets will have walk-ins and tasting facilities to enhance user experience under camera surveillance. With these new reforms kicking in, the national capital may see a rise in wholesale liquor prices by 8 to 9%. So far, only 350 out of 850 liquor vends have been granted license, so supply of liquor may be hit to some extent initially. Now, a Residents' Welfare Association across Delhi took to streets to protest against the new policy. They're complaining that the decision will have ramifications, wide ramifications on the society and will push the youth to drinking and intoxication. Let's listen in.
The Delhi government's new liquor excise policy kicks in today. Under this, 400 liquor vend licenses have been issued in the city. One such liquor vend is opening up right across a residential building, Vindhyashri Apartments. The residents are protesting against this liquor vend, saying that their security and safety will be impacted in the neighborhood. They complain that on one hand, the Delhi government is opening up government schools to make the future of the children, and on the other hand, it's promoting such liquor vends right across residential buildings that will negatively impact the young minds. They also complain that the safety of their young girls and children will be hampered as they'll be locked up inside the society, since an unsafe environment will be created right outside. Their second concern is about the crime in the neighborhood. They contend that there are already a lot of cases of chain snatching and eve-teasing in the neighborhood, which will increase manifold after the liquor van is opened up. Thirdly, they complain of traffic in the neighborhood. While there is enough area inside the liquor van for people to browse the alcohol they'd like to buy, there's no space created for parking, which will create a traffic problem for the residents. The residents have written a letter to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. They have not heard back on the same, and that is why they're protesting today against the opening up of this liquor vend. Priyanshi Sharma at Burari for Mirror Now.
Meanwhile, politics has erupted over the new liquor policy by the Delhi government. Both opposition parties, Congress and the BJP, staged protests and demonstrations in multiple locations across the national capital. While the Congress called it a stunt by Chief Minister to gather funds for his political rallies at the cost of the youth, BJP has called it an anti-society move that would result in more crimes against women and children in Delhi.
Delhi government, which is ruled by the Aam Aadmi Party, has come up with a new liquor policy. Delhi government is saying that they want to streamline the distribution system of the liquor, and that is why now they have decided through their new liquor policy that in each ward there should be at least two liquor shops, and now that has become the bone of contention. In fact, now the people, those who are the residents of that particular area where these new liquor shops will be opened, now they have started raising objection, and for that purpose now the opposition political parties are also now coming up, and now they have started lodging their protest. Here at the Jantar Mantar, the Bharatiya Janata Party is holding a protest, which is a Delhi Sarkar ki नई आबकारी नीति के विरोध में विशाल धरना प्रदर्शन. This kind of protest is also being done by the Congress as well, which is also in the opposition in other localities of the national capital. Now the Delhi government says that they want to increase the revenue, and that is why they wanted to streamline the system. Remember, in the national capital around more than 800 shops of the liquor were there, but it was dealt not only by the private sectors, by means that the private vendors were not only there, the government was also doing that business. But now with this liquor policy, now government will completely exit from that system. Only the private vendors, that means that the new licenses will be given to different vendors. So this is what the whole policy is right now. Due to this whole system changing, some sort of the costs of the liquor will also be increased in retail shops, which we are learning that around 8 to 10% of liquor prices will also be increased in the national capital. So that will be very interesting to see. At one side, Delhi government has now implemented a new liquor policy, but on the other side, the politics has also started happening.